Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today's our essay topic is rainy day. रेनी सीज़न के दिन कितने ब्यूटीफुल होते हैं, कितने अच्छे होते हैं। आज हम उस पे रेनी डेज पे ऐसे देखेंगे। सो ये ऐसे मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँ और रीड करूँ उससे पहले आपको एक छोटा सा काम करना है। क्या करना है? सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया तो, और क्लिक ऑन बेल आइकन क्योंकि मेरे सबसे न्यू वीडियोस और नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिलेंगे। ओके, और अगर ये आप वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ शेयर इट एंड क्लिक ऑन लाइक बटन प्लीज़। ओके, so start the essay on rainy day. Rainy day is one such day that is awaited by everyone. People of every age group love, cherish this day. In many family, in my family, everyone from my grandfather to my younger sister gets overjoyed on such day. Rains transform the weather from blazing hot and dry to refreshing plants, birds, and human beings. Everyone participates in celebrating rainy. Trees turn greener, peacocks begin to dance, farmers turn cheerful, and we all realize the rain party on the earth. या जब भी बारिश होती है तो ऐसा लगता है आज तो मीन्स के पार्टी हो रही है। रेन रेन पार्टी, रेन में नाचना गाना मीन्स रेन में भीगना भाई। हाउ टू वेदर इम्पैक्ट आवर मूड? वी लिव इन दिल्ली, a state which is famous for its extreme weather conditions. Heat waves in in full this part of the country for most part to the year. Rains offer the much needed respite from the hot weather. Monsoon is thus one of the most awaited times of year in Delhi. Weather has a most strange way of impact our mood. During the hot sunny summer days, people often tend to get angry and aggressive very quick. समर डेज में पीपल एंग्री जल्दी हो जाते हैं और एग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं जल्दी। तो समर डेज की जाने के बाद जैसे ही रेनी डेज आते हैं तो हम फ्रेश फील करते हैं। और एक बात, इफ़ यू वांट टू सी ऐसे ऑन समर डेज, please see in description box. I will upload link of this essay summer days. Okay, the sweat and scorching heat during such day gives rise to violence and fury. People are often seen in a bad mood and tend to get into arguments and fights easily. या समर डेज में हम बहुत चिड़चिड़े हो जाते हैं और मीन्स कि बैड मूड या मज़ा ही नहीं आता ऐसा। ऑन द अदर हैंड अ प्लीजेंट रेनी डे uplifts the mood automatically. It is a treat for sense outings with their loved ones of such a day just because of awesomeness it offers. An ideal rainy day. A rainy day is loved by everyone. There would hardly be anyone who despises it. Everyone has his own way of rejoicing the rain. While some love walking in rain, others love to drench and dance, while yet others love the views sitting on their window sill. My ideal rainy day would be sitting by the window and watching rain, catching some droplets of rain, and feeling the chill breeze on my cheeks. I enjoy writing in my diaries sitting by the window. It calms my heart and brings new and creative thoughts in my mind. My mother gets me hot cup of coffee and enjoy our coffee together. I often turn on soft music and relax on armchair sipping my coffee. After spending my afternoon and relaxing with my mom, I love to go on drive with my dad in evening to explore the city in relish the beauty of nature. We visit our favorite restaurant during the rains and enjoy having crunch onion and mirchi pakoras with mint chutney. By the time we drive back home, it usually dark. I feel so weary and sleepy as I return home. All I do on my return is just change and go to my bed. I really have a sound sleep on a rainy day as the weather is extremely chill. Conclusion. So, my idea of rainy day is to spend my day with my family and enjoy the beauty of nature. It is so much fun to spend time with family during rain. I love my family and I love rains too. Yeah. So this was essay on rainy day. Please like this essay and share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.